الو
الو.
فيصل،
ايوه.
وير يو ار يو؟
غرفة.
تعال بسرعه، كوكلي كمان في بروبلم، بسرعه. حمار، كلب، ما ترد على التليفون.
ده
Inday! Unsa man? Ay. Yes, madam. What unsa man? Nyani. Yes, madam. Inday, tomorrow you wake up 12, okay? Because it's Ramadan. Okay, madam.
A few inches later.
Good morning, madam. No morning, Inday. Sorry, madam. Now give me eggplant we cook. Ha? Eggplant. Yalla! Go in the ref. Nasaan kaya eggplant dito? Carrot. Talong, English, eggplant. Jesus, Ginoo. Here's your eggplant, madam. Thank you. And then cook your egg with no skin. Hindi sana all may itlog, no, madam? What? Nothing, madam, nothing. I cook now my egg. Inday? Yes, madam. Are you done cook me? Ayan na naman siya. Yes, madam. I already done cook a food for you. Okay, give me. Okay. Wow. Looks so delicious. Thank you, Inday, ha? Maliit na bagay. Welcome, madam. Inday? Yes, madam. Give me finger, please. Finger? Yes, finger. Ayoko. Gagamitin ko pa to eh. Oh, issue. Pangkain ba? Ha? Inday, the finger. The long. English. Oo nga pala, English pala. Bobo mo, Inday. One word. Inday, what you are doing? I want to eat. Give me the finger. The long one. Inside the cabinet. In the kitchen. Inside the cabinet. In the kitchen. Fork, madam, fork. Yes. Ay. Fork. The long fork. Here, madam. And then you finish it? Not yet, madam. Okay. Finish. Eat the dog after. Okay? Pakpay. Abroad pa mo. Inday! Come. Yes, madam. Come. Find my ears home. Huh? What? Ears, madam? Yeah, Inday. My ears! What ears, madam ba? Your ears have home? Sana all. Madam, I don't know where to find your ears. Ya Allah, Inday, my ears! Pads! Napatay na. May pads na yung ears niya. Ano yun, napkin? Ears. AirPods, madam! Yes. My AirPods home. Napaktay na. May AirPods home. Sa bagay, bahay niya din naman yun. And Inday, Madam, bring also my lenses home. Napaktay talaga. Kailangan talaga dito sa abroad, matalino at wais ka. Na, abroad pa more. Inday? Just now coming? Yes, madam. Yes, madam. I just got home. I go day off. How is yours, Inday? Ha? Ano daw? Kamusta yung akin? Ha, madam? How is me, madam? Good, madam. I enjoy. Okay. Tomorrow, hospital coming in the house, okay? Tomorrow what, madam? Do not hear me? Tomorrow, hospital coming in the house. Napatay na. Papuntahin naman dito yung hospital. Magkakasya ba yun dito? Tomorrow, I call the doctor to ask, okay? Kaya Inday, do you remember me? Ha? Do you remember me? Baka, do you understand me? Before you go home, go little outside Baba Brain Supermarket. Okay? Ha? Ano na bang nangyayari sa bahay na to, uy? Para naman tong mall. Kanina, pupunta dito yung hospital. Ngayon, dinala na ni tata yung yung supermarket dito. Grabe naman, boy. Yala. Madam. Asyan you can go and rest in peace. Ha? Na, abroad pa more. Inday! Ha, madam? Bring the baby. Bring the baby in the star. Ha? So that he have vitamins from the star. What star, madam? Yalla! Napaktay na. May star ba ngayon? Ikaaga-aga. Tsaka, bakit may punta yung bata sa star, uy? Before I see you now, no more you, okay? What? Ha? Yalla, Inday. After, go up your room, bring the baby on my bed. After you go, 2 hours, rest in peace, and come back. Yalla. What? Diyos ko, Lord. Hindi pa nga ako nakarecover sa bring the baby in the star. I-rest in peace naman tuloy ako. Yalla. At night, we go outside, you eat yourself alone. Okay? What? Na, abroad pa more! 1, 2, 3. Ang puso ko ay nalulung. Inday?
What?
Madam. Cut the tomato, the basil, the ginger, and cut the kitchen. Ano daw? Bakit naman puputulin? Sige na. Okay, madam. Yala. Oven hadi. Oven? Okay, Inday, let's try to cook this. Oven daw to. Inday! Hi! Madam! Oven! Not yet done, madam. Sure, not yet done! This, madam, not yet done. I said oven! Oven! Hindi to yung oven. Open lang. Here's the oven, madam. You said oven, madam. Ramadan. You said oven, madam, so I give you the oven. Huh? Gimme. This. Oven. Huh? Oven.
What?
Open. Yes. Open. Hindi ka na nagsabi agad. Na, abroad pa mo! Sus, ginoo ko. Hindi ko na talaga ito maintindihan si madam. Sabi niya oven. Hindi. Lalagay ko sana sa oven. Tapos nagalit siya ngayon sa akin. Tapos sabi niya na naman ulit, oven. So ngayon, baka gusto niya ng oven. So binigay ko ngayon sa oven. Binigyan ko siya ngayon ng oven. Nagalit na naman siya sa akin. Gusto pa niya ako baluin. So ngayon, eto na nga. Papa-open lang pala. Diba? Ang open, naging oven. Ayun, kung hindi ka talaga hindi ka talaga wais mag-isip dito sa abroad, na mabaliw ka talaga. Na, ngayon, abroad pa more! Inday, I already booked our ticket to Manila. Ha? Seryoso? Di nga, madam. Our flight is tomorrow evening, 7 p.m. Pack your things now. Hala? Seryoso na talaga si madam. Walang sisihan ha pag nakapunta ka ng Pilipinas? Okay, and then let's go. Madam, are you not changing your clothes? No, this is Lucky. Madam, welcome to my hometown. I'm so tired. Where is your house? Inday, you said close enough, but I think we already walking 5 hours. Ayan, Pilipinas pa more. Don't worry, madam, we're already close enough. Just this, madam. Last one. What? In the river? Oh my God! There is a big crocodile there, Inday. You're gonna kill me. We are so close, madam. Don't you worry. I want to go back home. Ayan ka. Sama pa more, madam. Give me the sister of the spoon, please. Hay nako. Baka ba naman to? Ha? Sister of the spoon? Ano ba yung sister of the spoon? Give me, yala! Ano ba yung sister of the spoon? Sister of the spoon. Sister of the spoon. Ya Inday, what take you so long? Madam, what is the sister of the spoon? Ya Allah! No understand! Hadi. Three sister. Have sister this. Sister. Oof. Tali. Hadi, sister of the spoon. Hada, sister of the spoon. Okay? Sus, Ginoo. Tinidor lang pala. Sister of the spoon pa. Understanding? Yalla taste. Shouldn't taste. What taste? I don't know, madam. Not too good. What no good?
What?
Abroad pa more!